Welcome to today's video on computational biology. In this video, we will explore the fascinating field of computational biology and how it is revolutionizing the way we understand living organisms. Computational biology, also known as bioinformatics, combines computer science, mathematics, and biology to analyze and interpret biological data. It involves the use of algorithms, data mining techniques, and statistical modeling to gain insights into complex biological processes. With the exponential growth of biological data, computational biology plays a crucial role in understanding and solving biological problems. One of the key areas where computational biology has made significant contributions is in genomics. Genomics is the study of an organism's entire set of DNA, known as its genome. By analyzing DNA sequences, computational biologists can identify genes, gene variants, and their functions. This information is essential for understanding diseases, developing new drugs, and improving human health. Another important application of computational biology is in protein structure prediction. Proteins are vital molecules in living organisms, and their structure determines their function. Computational biologists use mathematical algorithms to predict the three-dimensional structure of proteins based on their amino acid sequences. This information is valuable for drug design as it helps scientists identify potential targets for therapeutic interventions. Computational biology is also actively involved in the field of systems biology. Systems biology aims to understand how the different components of a biological system interact and function together as a whole. By integrating experimental data with computational models, scientists can simulate and study complex biological networks, such as metabolic pathways or gene regulatory networks. These models help us uncover the underlying principles governing biological systems and enable us to design interventions and treatments for diseases. In conclusion, computational biology is a rapidly evolving field that combines computer science and biology to unravel the mysteries of life. It has revolutionized genomics, protein structure prediction, and systems biology, leading to breakthroughs in medicine, agriculture, and environmental sustainability. As technology continues to advance, the impact of computational biology on our understanding of life will only continue to expand. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.